We're going on fully automatic, whatever the setting is, 4K 60, hyper smooth on, as is. Yep. What are we gonna barbecue tonight? You better believe it. Pork chop. Pork chop. And chicken. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go.
For 15 years, and it's really sad and unfortunate that we have to go to this length.
Burning food. Burning. Hard to see tonight. Pork chop should be done. Chicken needs to be cooked another 12 minutes. Oh, good. Oh yeah, watch that thing go on fire. Definitely a different camera angle to give you guys a real good idea of how this is going. Alright, you can see the pork chops are well done. Chicken needs to go at least another 10 minutes. We'll come back and finish this off. This is how we get the chicken to cook a little faster. We grab it, slice it right down the middle. And we can see how much more needs to be cooked. Flip it over. Marinated already. And 10 more minutes, that thing will be ready to eat. On that note, come a little closer to the chicken. You'll have a great day. Catch you on the next video. We want to move this right over here. There you go. You thought I'll leave you in there, right? This looks really awesome at 800 minimum, 3200 maximum. Oh, that really looks awesome. Beast up just like that. I more or less dropped the ISO minimum to 800, maximum to 1600, and the EV down to -5. And that gives you a beautiful shot. Indeed. I'll get out of the view. Oh yeah. Take a nice close-up look. 5 more minutes. We're done. See that right there? Let it really cook on there. And yeah, I'm going to now just shake this up, put it on here towards the edge, in view. Have a great, great day. I'm doing what everybody likes to do. Walk to. Oh, I gotta back up. I gotta back up. I gotta go get the plate. So let's get the plate, do one of these, right? And see if this throws anything off. The chicken's done. Just take a quick look at it. Definitely done. Put it on the plate. Clean up the barbecue. One thing I must do is always shut these off. All of them are off. Good to go. Have a good night.